So the Canon 50mm 1.8, also known as the Nifty 50. Why do we all rave about it? Let me tell you why. You want that really shallow depth of field shot of your character in bed reading their book. So the scene's quite dark. So you need something that's good with depth of field in low light situations. Oh boy, do we have what you're looking for?
Say hello to my little friend!
The Canon 50mm 1.8 f-stop is perfect for all of your depth of field needs.
With that low 1.8 f-stop, incredible depth of field.
With that incredibly low aperture going all the way down to f-stop 1.8, you get incredible depth of field.
Oh my god! Oh, wow!
With its plastic build quality, this is a budget lens for all those professionals out there looking for the great results out of a cheap lens.
Even the new 50mm 1.8 comes with the metal mount to reinforce its build quality. That means it's going to last for years.
Are you sure about that?
You won't even notice it in your bag. The thing is so damn light and small that you can pop it in your bag and it's gone. It's gone. Where's it gone? Anybody seen where it's gone?
Oh, watcha. This 1.8mm lens, it's a deal. It's a steal. It's the sale of the century. In fact, it's so good, I bought one myself.
This lens should be top of your Christmas list or birthday list. Every time your birthday or Christmas comes around, it's so cheap and light. You won't even notice it in your kit bag. It's so damn good.
This lens should be at the top of your lens list, your lens list, your lens list, and if you don't have one, you need to get this lens to buy a lens, then you have the ultimate lens in your lens arsenal.
Damn, son, where'd you find this?
Or for under £100.
Nani?
Can we get serious now?
All jokes aside, this is the perfect bit of kit for that budget filmmaker. It's something that you should consider each and every time you think about booking kits. Like we just said, great in low light, incredible depth of field, and takes up no room in the kit bag. So that's that. Thanks again for watching. New videos each and every Monday, so make sure you subscribe for more videos. Goodbye.
Alright, I'm over. Where's my check? Come on, I'm out of here.